Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox on your phone. First, open your device's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS. Then, use the search bar to find Roblox. It's important to check that your phone meets the minimum operating system requirements, typically Android 5.0 or iOS 9.0 or newer, to ensure a smooth experience. Once you've found the official Roblox app, simply tap the Install or Get button. You might be asked to confirm some permissions or verify your account, which is a standard security measure. The app is usually around 200 megabytes in size, so the download time will depend on your internet speed. After it finishes downloading, the installation will happen automatically, preparing the app for its first launch. With the app installed, open it from your home screen. You'll then have two options: either create a brand new Roblox account or log in using an existing one. If you're new, you'll need to provide a username, password, and birth date. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials. Remember to keep your login information safe and secure for future access to your games. Now you're ready to dive into the incredible world of Roblox. The app offers access to millions of user-created games, ranging from adventure to simulation. Simply browse the extensive catalog, pick a game that catches your eye, and tap to join. You can connect with friends, customize your avatar, and explore countless virtual experiences right from your phone. Have fun playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.